Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is April the 11th, 2021, and we're here to simply give you all a heads up as to where the price is going to go for Polkadot. Yes, we're going to give you all the price prediction as to where we expect the price to go so that we can beat everyone else to that price, so that we can profit and that we can win. So if you want to join us, if you want to become part of our community, before you head out, before you leave, hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. It might be beneficial to you to also tap that bell notification as well, because you do not want to miss out on any of our content that we are creating here in this space. So real quick, you guys can already tell as I zoom in on this price chart that we've had a price prediction already ongoing in the market for Polkadot, and we played the weakness on March the 23rd, 2021. We expected the market price to go lower in Polkadot, and that is precisely what the trap has done following our prediction. As a matter of fact, the next day, that's when the market in Polkadot dropped all the way down to our ultimate area of TP, which was about 9%, 9.12% profitability. He has extended that though, all the way down here to $28 even, which would have garnered us about 20% profitability into the market, right back into our account. So congratulations to you if you was able to also call that same price movement in Polkadot. So that time is over. For us, we need to be forward thinking into where the price is going to go so that we can ensure that we are in position to win in the market. So let's do this real quick. Let's take that price prediction off our chart and let's zoom out. And there's one general question that I usually try to ask everyone is, what is the current trend into the market right now? So in Polkadot's situation, the market currently is in a uptrend. So the first thing I'm going to do, I am going to extend this line higher, because this line is going to be very impactful as we see this market trade over the next couple of weeks, right? So let me get rid of this horizontal line here, because the market here in Polkadot is playing on it, right? You guys can see right here in this section that the market is definitely playing around with our lines, right? You can see that it's been playing around or toying around our ascending line, as well as holding this support area of $40 over the last 4 or 5 trading days. So what is going on? Because one thing we all need to realize is that everyone sees the same type of information that we do. The only problem, or what gives us the leg up amongst everyone else, is that we have to interpret the price bars and the volume accurately in order for us to win. So what is going on into the market in Polkadot? Let's take a look real quick on a 3-day time frame into the market in Polkadot. So one thing that I can already see is that the market here in Polkadot is still giving us weakness, and you can also see that we got rejection right there on our ascending line. The market could not break back up above our overall trend that you all can see has been obeyed by the trap numerous times. You guys can see that the market in Polkadot was following and keeping its price to the left of our ascending line. Well, now on this current 3-day price bar, the market is still showing us some weakness here. We broke the actual trend right here on this 3-day price bar in Polkadot on April the 7th. So since that time, the market has been trending well below our ascending line. So we should already be switching our mind frame over into thinking that the market is not overly bullish anymore. Now, it doesn't mean that we're done with lower prices. It just simply means that the current ascension is on pause right now. Okay? Because the reason why I say it doesn't mean that price is over with from going higher is because we're still holding that support area of $40. Now, if we saw the market in Polkadot break that support area of $40 to the downside, then yeah, we are transitioning over into weakness, and you would expect the price to go down. You would. So let's take a look at this on a 5-day time frame real quick. And as you all can see here, that the market generally is still giving us weakness. The only thing that is saving the price of Polkadot from dropping in price is $40. So everything that I say on this video is going to be contingent on whether or not the trap can keep the price above $40, or will he break it to the downside and take us lower. That's it. Okay. Let me look at this on a weekly time frame real quick. And as you all can tell right here on the weekly time frame, the market in Polkadot is still giving us some weakness, albeit it's not that weak. So we can relax somewhat and not anticipate a massive crash to go on in Polkadot. I'm not telling you that at all, but we still have to be realistic and understand that the market has its ebbs and flows. It will go higher, and there will be times to where the market will have to drop in price. Now, you can even see it better here that that $40 area is going to be real crucial into the market for Polkadot. Okay. So now what we're going to do on this particular video is we're going to play a prediction as to where we're expecting the price to go. You can also see right here on this 2-day time frame into the market in Polkadot that the market has also broken this trend. See that? The market was keeping its price on every 2-day price bar back towards the ending half of March, going into the beginning half of April, well above that trend, and we broke that now too as well. So we're getting a transition, right? We're not actually seeing a lot of strength coming to the market in Polkadot as of this particular moment. So we will play the weakness. That is going to be our prediction into the market for Polkadot. Now, how weak do you think the market is going to be? It's going to be very contingent on how much demand or interest comes into Polkadot, because literally I'm not that far to where I'm expecting the market to try to come in and find support. You know, maybe around that $38 area, a little bit higher than $38 would be where I would be looking for the market in Polkadot to try to come in and touch support, which is around $38.52. Okay, so let's see this on the daily time frame in the market for Polkadot. $38.52 will give us about 4.75% profitability right there. That would be the first area that I would come in and TP or take out some of the profit out the market for Polkadot. Okay, I'm going to bring down this area of restriction just a tad, maybe around $43.85, give or take. Let me look at this market on a 3 weeks time frame, and you can generally tell here that yeah, we're getting some weakness into the market, but it's not overly oppressive to where the market cannot reclaim its prior movement of higher price, right? So we're just going to play this on a small time frame. We're not saying that the market is through with going higher in price, but we're going to play the weakness in the meantime. That is the current sentiment into the market in Polkadot, and our initial TP price would be around $38.50. And we're going to bring it all the way down here towards $36.53, because granted, we have seen at least 3 trading days, 3 opportunities for the market to bring its price back up above our trend, and he couldn't do it. That's one of the primary reasons as to why we're not going to play the strength into the market in Polkadot right there. Okay, now $40 can save the price though, but we're going to play and expect the market to break that to the downside towards $38.50 all the way down here to $36.50. All right, so now this is what we're seeing into the market in Polkadot. Okay, we're going to keep these 2 lines here just a little while longer, just to see what occurs around those lines so that we can get a better idea as to what the market is going to do. But this is it. This is what we're seeing right now in the market in Polkadot. It's simple to see. It's simple to understand. Be wary of anyone who is simply confusing you with all of their technical indicators on their charts. It doesn't require all of that. Only thing you need to know, only thing you need to interpret is the price bars and the volume. That's it. You don't need anything else. You don't need to pay for no expensive software that some individuals are trying to get you to purchase, because it's not going to give you an advantage. The only thing that's going to give you an advantage is predicting where the market is going to go right before price gets there. So tell me your prediction for Polkadot over the next 3 weeks as to where you think the market is anticipated to go. Let us know. All right. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.